If my parents die today, I can't even make dua for them. Do you value your faith? The biggest blessing in my life is that Allah guided me to Islam. Many Muslims take that for granted. They're born into Muslim families and Islam is just a culture for them. But for many of us reverts, wallahi, after being in the search for the purpose of life for years, we learn to value the gift of Islam. I'm the only Muslim in my family. If my parents pass away today, I can't even make dua for them. You can make dua for your parents and ask Allah to forgive them and grant them Jannah. But I can't even do that. Wallahi, we need to value the gift of Islam, and that's why I'm now raising funds to establish a masjid and dawah center in my community, so we can share the gift of Islam with those looking for the truth and teach our young Muslims the value of our Deen. Brothers and sisters, I'm a Norwegian Muslim revert, and you are my family. Will you help me establish this masjid? You will inshallah be rewarded for every young Muslim and revert who starts to value his faith, prays 5 times a day and worships Allah in this masjid. The Prophet ﷺ said, whoever builds a mosque for Allah, Allah will build for him a similar house in Jannah. And Allah said, believe in Allah and His Messenger and donate from what He has entrusted you with. So those of you who believe and donate will have a mighty reward. Click the button to donate for the sake of Allah and share the video for even more reward. May Allah bless you.